This is a little off-brand from my usual video, but I live in Austin, Texas, and yesterday, or the day before yesterday, there was a storm that came while I was out, and I had to find shelter from it. And I'm going to show you where I ended up. I knew this thing was going to be bad. I was getting warnings, my phone was blowing up and shaking and vibrating like, the end of the world is coming. So anyway, I'm going to show you this photo here, and I'm going to show you some of the video of the areas that I just got out of. So it was really something. There's a lot of electricity still out all over Austin, Texas.